this big area, and then there was like a noob somewhere. And the key thing is that if you touch the noob, then you become a noob too. Well, where is the noob? The hell? Is someone calling me? Let me go and have a look. Hold on, Lewis. What? Uh-oh. Oh, look, it's that robotic noob over there. And there's another one. Oh, no. Oh, no, get away from that thing. It'll literally destroy you. Lewiston, go faster. He's literally on your backside. Yes. Oh, no, no, JJ Galaxy. He's just been turned into a noob. Oh, no, Lewiston. Oh, no. No, 6163. No, he's been turned into a noob as well. What? We gotta go back for Robert. He's in trouble. Robert, reset. Just reset. I don't know if I'm gonna make it because I'm literally just gonna fall off the wing. Oh no, there's a noob! There's a noob! Oh no, there's a noob! Right, I'm gonna have to use my special weapon. Let's just go over here.
I don't know how it look around you.
What? I don't see anybody. Well, there's a person coming.
I'm a noob and I'm coming.
Oh, the kiosk clerk has been turned into a noob. Well, we've got to be careful not to touch her. Oh, that was close.
Oh no, I see two noobs right there.
Oh God. Wow, they're still up close. Oh, he's right on me back. He's right on me back. I'm still being chased. Oh, no, 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 no. God. Oh, look how close he is. I think we lost the other two. Oh, no, they're literally down there. There. Ha-ha.
Oh no. What sort of fell off?
Okay, sort of oof. I'll just put it that way. Oh, it looks like the noob... the noob isn't quite done yet. Oh God, that trying to get up. Yeah, have fun trying to do that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's here!
Oh no.
The noobs have been defeated once again.
I think I'm. Noob!
Oh god, he's quite quick as well. Again! Stop blowing people up, whoever's doing it!